I've got it on video now.
What's the fucking fun? Oh, you're gonna get fucked.
Ooh. She's gonna get fucked.
Essie! Oh, fuck the machine, not me.
Joey, you made a very odd light for the back of the wagon. Because Gally was pulling this out on the machine and the back blew up and smashed the light. Aye, it snapped the catch on the machine as well on the new catch. The light on the machine and the catch on the back. The light on the wagon, mate. Ah, it's smashed. It's in bits. Oh. Snap this fucking jiggle pin as well. Joe? I need a seal on my middle rail, the pump.
And
New roller.
because
The roller's knackered.
no.
Wobbling all over now. And there's a... Aye, but I like made the roller though, definitely. Just, it's only a little leak on the middle rail, like.
Just sitting wrong. It's a bad road.